Welcome friends to my channel My Rannaghar Indian Food. This is my online class number 125. In this class we are going to know about some birds with the pictorial chart. Let's start. First of all is Maina. In Bengali say it Moina. Next Shama. In Bengali also Shama. Next Vulture, Shokung. Next Woodpecker, Kathokra. Next Cockatoo, Kakatua. Next Pigeon, Paira. Sparrow, Chorai. Tailor bird, Tuntuni. Owl, Pacha. Shalik, Shalik. Swan, Rajhas. Hen, Murgi. Kite, Chill. Kingfisher, Machranga. Swallow, Chatuk. Parrot, Tia. Cock, Morok. Crane, Bok. Peacock, Mayur. Penguin, in Bengali also penguin. Eagle, eagle. Duck, Patihar. Bulbul, bulbuli. Crow, cock. I want to show the picture once again and repeat it. Just say Maina, Moina, Shama, Shama, Vulture, Shokung, Woodpecker, Kathokra, Cockatoo, Kakatua, Pigeon, Paira, Sparrow, Chorai, Tailor bird, Tuntuni, Owl, Pacha, Shalik, Shalik, Swan, Rajhas, Hen, Murgi, Kite, Chill, Kingfisher, Machranga, Swallow, Chatok, Parrot, Tia, Cock, Morok, Crane, Bok, Peacock, Mayur, Penguin, penguin, eagle, eagle, duck, Patihas, bulbul, bulbuli, crow, cock. So kids, I think you have now learned some birds, but I want to request you, with the help of your parents, please see the birds in nature, living, okay? Then you will learn about them. I hope you have liked it, so please share it. And the students who have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. And who have already subscribed, please stay tuned with my channel. Thank you for watching.